Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, right now I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the INIU power bank. I think as you say it, INIU, it's INIU. I think that's a U, could be a V, but I think it's a U. Power bank, 45 watt fast charging, 10,000 millihour. So this is, it's going to last you a while, and a 3-year warranty. So got this thing on Amazon. As you can see, I got it on Amazon. And I'll set the link in the description after I'm done with the review and finish uploading. So let's go ahead and open this boy up. So here it is, power bank. It's got some heft to it, I can tell you that right now. So let's go ahead and open this up here. And I started opening it up, so I already took the sticker off. So let's go here, take this off here, I believe, pull this up. Here's the power bank. And comes with some instructions, and you know I don't like to read the instructions, which is probably a mistake. I probably should, but I don't. So anyway, here is the power bank, and here we go. Here we have the power bank here. All right, it's got a nice little screen here. It's an LCD screen here, I guess. I don't know exactly. Okay, I think I'm supposed to press power to power it up. So I think this is, there you go. So this one's already charged at 46%. So that would mean that it has about, what, 4,600 millihours left. And now it doesn't come with a cable, so I guess I have to get a cable. Wait a minute. This looks like, wow, so this strap here is actually doubles down as a charging cable. Let me take this out. Wow, okay. Oh, check that out, man. Look at that. That's awesome. Check this out, guys. How cool is this? So I guess, do I need to pull this out as well? Yeah. So this strap doubles down. Okay, so let's go ahead and, I guess I gotta pull it up. There we go. Check that out, man. So this strap also doubles down as a cable. So let me go ahead and bring a phone here. Bring my iPhone 16e here and put that in there right here. And then put this up in here and watch it start charging. There you go, 60%. Let's go ahead. What is it charging at right now? So unplug it and do it back. Let's go ahead. All right, 60% charged. And here we have 45%. So, that would probably take like maybe, I don't know, I'd say a good hour maybe to fill it up to the top. I have no idea. Like, I haven't done it yet. So, but I would assume it says 24 minutes to 80%. So it'd probably take about another, 20 minutes to get it to 100%. So anyways, really, really neat, guys. So here is the charger, fast charging. And here we also have what I believe to be like a phone stand. So I don't know how that works. That wouldn't work like that. Yeah, okay, I think it would be like a stand. I think, okay, so I would have to, you'd push it in like this and then the phone should stand in, right? It should lock in like that. I'm not exactly sure what this is for. This looks like, yeah, I'm not exactly 100% sure, but it looks like it should be like a stand, that you should be able to stand your phone up. But yeah, that's not working. I'm sure there's there we go. There we go. Okay, I got it now. So that's basically what that's for. So that's supposed to just kind of stand the phone there. So, all right, guys, here it is, the INIU fast charger. And so far, I like it. So let's go ahead and put everything back and put it back as we found it. And here we go. Put that in and get this back in here like that. And then this goes back in like this. Yep. And there we go. And now you have a charger with a phone strap and also the cables. Really neat stuff, guys. So anyways, if you guys like this video, please subscribe down below, hit like, leave a comment. Until next time, so talk to you later. Stay blessed and stay tuned.